สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speak Thai right now with me ครู Gift. In this video, you will learn how to say I love you and I miss you in Thai. We will start with I love you first. The first word that you need to know is รัก รัก means to love. And I for a female speaker is ฉัน and I for a male speaker is ผม and the last word คุณ means you in Thai. So now we put them all together in the sentence. If you are a female speaker, you would say ฉันรักคุณ Repeat after me. ฉันรักคุณ And if you are a male speaker, you would say ผมรักคุณ Repeat after me. ผมรักคุณ Okay, so now you may want to say I miss you. We just change the verb to miss someone in Thai is คิดถึง And now we put in the same sentence structure. If you are a female speaker, you would say ฉันคิดถึงคุณ Repeat after me. ฉันคิดถึงคุณ And if you are male speaker, you would say ผมคิดถึงคุณ Repeat after me. ผมคิดถึงคุณ Well done. When you want to say I love you, how do you say it? And when you want to say I miss you, how do you say it? Good job! If you like learning Thai with us, follow our channel and see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye!